taking a video.
Yeah, what's your password?
9831.
Oh, I started thinking it was 9 earlier.
You're not gonna want to watch this video. Emma, you're not gonna want to watch this video at all.
I'm gonna do one of me.
Oh my god.
Ginger's unhappy. It's Dory.
Dory, the silly fish. Dory, Dory, Dory. Do you see Dory? Gotta love fishes. They have really big eyes. The ones with stripes have really big eyes.
With this, they can't be happy.
How do you get big eyes? Make big eyes. Why did you smile awkwardly? Awkward ginger smile.
Oh my gosh, my eye was vibrating. What was that? It tickled. He never got
Where is your mother?
He never gave me a straw.
How long does it take to go to the bathroom? Where is your mother?
How long does it take for food to get here?
A while. Let's just say this: the people that were maybe that's what takes forever. I've never played that game before. I have it on my iPad, but I haven't played it. Where are appetizers at least?
Checking out real flowers. They're not.